In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to name a list in Zoho CRM. We'll walk through the process of creating a new list, which Zoho calls a view. This is really useful when you want to organize records in a specific way, like grouping certain leads or contacts together based on shared criteria. First, open Zoho CRM and choose the module where you want your list to live. A module is simply a section of your CRM, like leads, contacts, or deals. For example, if you want a list of prospects you're nurturing, you might choose the Leads module. If you're focusing on existing customers, you might pick Contacts. Click on the module name in the top navigation bar to make sure you're inside the right one. Once you're in the module, look toward the top left of the page for the drop-down that usually says something like All Leads or All Contacts. This is the current view you're looking at. Click that drop-down to reveal all the different views available in this module. In that menu, find and click the option labeled Create View. This is where you'll set up your new list. When the Create View screen opens, you'll see a field for the view name. This is where you name your list. Try to use a clear, descriptive name so you can quickly recognize what this list is for later. For example, you might use something like Hot Leads this month or Customers up for renewal. The more specific and meaningful the name, the easier it will be to manage your data. Next, you'll define the criteria for your list. Criteria determine which records will appear in this view. This might include things like lead status, industry, owner, or date fields. Take a moment to think about who exactly should be included. For instance, you could set criteria to show only leads created in the last 30 days or only contacts from a certain region. Being intentional here helps keep your list clean and relevant. After setting the criteria, choose which columns you want to see in your list. Columns are the fields that will show up in your table view, such as name, email, phone, company, or any custom fields you've added. Select the columns that are most useful for quickly scanning and working with this list. When you're happy with the name, criteria, and columns, scroll down and click Save. Zoho will create your new view, and your named list will now appear in the drop-down alongside the other views in that module, ready for you to use anytime.